I'm Dave Meyer with BusyWeb. Today I'd like to share a special event with you. Grow your business with email and social media, simple marketing strategy for small businesses and nonprofits. Everyone is looking for the right strategies, tools, and tactics to make their marketing as effective as possible. But between Facebook and Twitter, email and mobile, deals and whatever social network is hot this month, there's always a lot to keep up with. The number of possibilities can feel overwhelming. This session will help make sense of the noise. We're going to show you how to make the most of your combination of email and social media to grow your business. We'll cover the basics, goals and objectives, what a campaign is and what to offer, simple but powerful tips on how to get your messages opened, read, and delivered, and tools you can use to help engage with your existing customers and to reach new prospects. Registrants will receive a separate workbook to get their plan on paper. Join us and start to build a plan to grow your business using the best digital tools available to business owners today. Let's generate some buzz.